Welcome to Look Learn Lead. Kindly subscribe and press the bell button for updates. Hello everyone, in this video we will be discussing about the current banking awareness, that is which bank did what. We will be discussing about only the banks, and this is a part 1 of February 2018. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe for further videos. Okay, let's move on to the current affairs first. Okay, our first current affairs is Punjab National Bank, that is PNB, has signed an agreement for IU. It is Information Utility, you can remember it as IU, with National E-Governance Service Limited. Okay, it is the first. Next one is PNB has raised the interest on bulk deposits. Now what are the bulk deposit? Bulk deposit or deposit which are over 1 crore up to 1.35%. It has raised the interest up to 1.35%. Okay, those two things are about PNB here. The first thing is it has signed an agreement for IU with National E-Governance Service Limited. You can remember it as National E-Governance Service Limited. It is written like this only. Okay, it is a full form. Full form can be asked also. Next, SBI has also signed an IU Information Utility Agreement, okay, with National E-Governance Service Limited. Both SBI and PNB has signed an IU agreement with National E-Governance Service Limited. Next, SBI is planning to issue credit card to farmers. Okay, you have to remember this. Next, RBI, this is the Reserve Bank of India, has announced to link the base rate with MCLR. Okay, from 1st April 2018. A question can be asked from when it is effective. It is effective from 1st April 2018. It has announced to link the base rate. Base rate would be linked with the MCLR from 1st April. Next, Syndicate Bank has kept its MCLR rates unchanged. Okay, next one, the government to merge all 3 general insurance companies. Now what are the general insurance companies which are merged? That is National Insurance Co Limited, United Insurance Assurance Co Limited, and Oriental India Insurance Company. That is National Insurance, United Insurance, and Oriental India Insurance. These all 3 insurance companies, these are the general insurance companies, they would be merged. Axis Bank, it is a private sector bank. Okay, it has launched the 4th edition of Evolve. Next, RBL, it is also a private sector bank. It has partnered with government's 2 things, that is Startup India Initiative and Invest India. Okay, it would launch INFIN IT 20. You have to remember this, it is very important. RBL is the bank and it has partnered with government's Startup India Initiative and Invest India. 2 things you have to remember. INFIN IT T20 also you have to remember. Visakhapatnam Cooperative Bank, there is one thing, it has been ranked as a #1 banks among South. Okay, it is opening a new branch in Hyderabad also. It already have a bank in Visakhapatnam. It is a cooperative bank in Visakhapatnam and a new branch would be opening in Hyderabad. Indian Overseas Bank, IOB, you can remember it like this. Indian Overseas Bank has received 173.06 capital infusion from the government in current fiscal year. Next, Indian Bank has revised the rate on foreign currency and non-resident term deposits. Okay, for non-residents and the foreign currency rates have been revised. They have been increased actually. Okay, it is an appointment. Okay, it is an appointment. Hardayal Prasad, he has been appointed as the MD and the CEO of SBI Card. He has been appointed as the MD and the CEO of SBI Card. India Post Payment Bank plans to roll out its branches across India from May 2018. It would be increasing its branches and the total investment is around 1,450 crores is the investment which is planned by this bank. Next, Karnataka Bank has increased the interest rate on domestic term deposits on 2 slabs and it would be effective from January 30, 2018. This is the last one. You have to remember this, it is very important. CRESIDEX. So it is India's first sentiment index for MSEs, that is micro and small enterprises. Okay, and it is jointly developed by CRISIL and SIDBI, it is a Small Industrial Development Bank of India. So its name has been derived from CRI from CRISIL SID from SIDBI, okay, and it is X. Okay, you can remember it as Expo. Cree said X. Okay, it is the first sentiment index for MSEs. Okay, thank you. This was all about the current banking awareness. This is the part 1. Stay tuned for other parts. Please subscribe if you haven't.